Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. Thanks to all my returning subscribers. Today I'll be cutting this fila, gobiti fila for 2025. Gobiti, unlike the small type they sew, but this one is the gobiti, the traditional proper cap. The they put on traditionally. Just follow me as I do it. You can see they are in pieces and they'll be joined together. The length will be decided through this. Okay, so welcome once again. I'll be cutting two different types of cap. I'll be cutting the golden one and then the wine color. So how do we go about it? By now you ought to have gotten the measurement of the circumference of the edge. For instance, if it's 24, which I'm cutting for 24. So from that edge to the upper side, I normally take 8 inches. You just cross your tape. If it's 24 you want, we'll be cutting 4 pieces of it. Okay, so eventually I will take part of it for the cover of the round circumference of the cap. So I will measure 8 inches across, then I'm taking 12 inches, the lengthwise 12 inches. It depends on how high you want it to be. So with this my 12 inches, taking the 12 inches, 12 or 13 inches as you want it to be. It depends on how high you want it to be. So with this my measurement, I'm able to get about 10 inches for the height of the cap. So if you don't want your own to be as high as that, you can just make it 10 inches. Okay, so you do the same thing as you do it up. Make sure you follow your diagonal lines. You just need only 4 pieces of it. So you join your lines, just join it. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe, like it, subscribe and comment. Okay, so the next thing you are going to cut them into pieces. Follow the line you drew on it. Okay, just 4 pieces we need. It's unlike the simple round short type, Awolowo style they call it. Well, this one is called gobiti. That is a traditional cap filler that they tie. Okay, so the next thing you are going to be arranging there, you can either run your stitch over it like this, or you join the two ends together and run your stitch at the back. But if you do it like this, it's neater. It will come out neat. That is how it's going to come out. The way I arrange it, that's how it's going to come out neatly. Okay, so just measure it. You see, it should be about 24 that you are having there. So I haven't joined them together. So like this now, I'm going to have about 10 inches. So yes, so it depends on how high you want it to be. If you don't want to be as high as mine, you can just make it 12 inches wide. Okay, like somebody said, the standard one they use is 8.5. It's left to you. If you want your own to be very high so they can get the real gobiti, make it 10 inches. Okay, I'm going to do the exact thing I did with the wine. Since it's the same person, it's the same measurement I'm using. Instead of stressing yourself to measure them one by one again, you can just go ahead, place it on the new one you want to cut and cut it. Okay, even that small piece is not a waste. You keep it until you have completed the whole work. That's what to do about sewing. Don't throw anything away until the cloth is completed. Your clients have tested it, your client is okay, because as little as that piece is, it can be used to join the opening. on top of the filler. Okay, so since it's the same size, I'm just using the exact measurement to cut them out. What I did to the first one is what I'm going to do to the second one. It's just as simple as that. What are you waiting for? If you're here to subscribe, please do subscribe, like it, and share it. Don't forget to like. When you like it, the video keeps moving forward. Thanks so much. I appreciate you. See you in my next video. Bye.